The 2016 Hyundai Genesis TJIN Edition. Hyundai's SEMA display wouldn't be complete without a heavily modified, high-horsepower Genesis Coupe. TJIN comes through on that front with a boosted, underground racing-inspired car that's equally prepared to do battle with Mustangs and Camaros or modified front-wheel drive imports. TJIN Edition RoadShow's first Hyundai for SEMA has no problem being green, thanks to a supercharged V6 that produces 500-plus horsepower and an aggressively wild body kit. The drivetrain has been thoroughly upgraded, enabling the car to deliver on all of its considerable visual promises. The TJIN Edition Genesis Coupe made its official debut at the Hyundai press conference at SEMA. Like many of the concepts unveiled at the annual aftermarket show, the best part about this car is that many of the go-fast bits will be available from various suppliers for Genesis Coupe fans to mix and match into their own cars. Updated 4 November 2015, Hyundai unveiled the Genesis TJIN Edition concept car at the 2015 SEMA show. Continue reading to learn more about the Hyundai Genesis TJIN Edition. Exterior. The Genesis Coupe's dramatic trapezoidal grille and sharply angled character lines have undergone a healthy dose of monochrome under TJIN's direction. The entire car is painted Axalta green and is a TJIN creation. Rotiform 3-piece 19-inch wheels provide a contrast and show off the lowered stance. The chrome trim in the grille and elsewhere has also been painted to match the car. The black and green look suits the TJIN Genesis Coupe well, and the front lip, trunklid and rear spoiler have all been modified. Custom LED lighting is also included. Interior. The interior is dominated by a roll cage provided by unique fabrication. Custom Alia leather drapes the seats. The Genesis Coupe's 4-place interior is reminiscent of muscle cars, with laid-back seating and a large, sporty console. Drivetrain. Under the hood, things get seriously exciting. The 3.8-liter V6 has been boosted with a Vortec V3 supercharger sourced from Bisimoto Engineering. An intercooler and blow-off valve from Vortec are also included, and Bisimoto has tuned the engine control to handle the increased power, which Hyundai says is somewhere north of the 500 mark. To ensure that the TJIN Genesis Coupe handles as well as it accelerates, KW coilover shocks lower the car, and Baer provides custom brake calipers and 14-inch cross-drilled rotors. The wheels are wrapped in Falcon Azenis tires. Conclusion. Based on Hyundai's preview, the TJIN Edition RoadShow modified Genesis Coupe is an impressive upgrade for the big sports coupe. It doesn't break any new ground in terms of styling or performance, but should serve as a great inspiration vehicle for Genesis Coupe fans looking to up the performance ante. It's a hot addition to Hyundai's collection of modified cars for SEMA. Love its serious horsepower with a suspension to back it up. So much green. Build your own potential. Leave it. Will the interior live up to the exterior?
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.